Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP560 printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one, but we're going to open up Edge for today's tutorial. And in the Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MP560. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be from a Canon support page. It says Canon support for PIXMA MP560. Go ahead and open that up. And now at this point, you should be able to see additional information about the printer over here on the side. But we're going to just scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then you can select your operating system and version number if it's not automatically detected up at the top. And then just scrolling down to the third section, you want to select the My Printer application listed here and select the download button. And then once it's downloaded to our computer, go ahead and select the download to run it. And then yes, you can close out of the web browser and then select next. Select your region, country, license agreement, and as well as selecting your destination path or folder. Next again. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop if you so choose, and then select complete. And then hopefully at this point your printer should be recognized. If you're having any issue, you can come into this utility and selecting diagnose and repair printer will launch options and menus that you can then proceed with different troubleshooting guides. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.